welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the Windows 11 lock screen background. So let's get started. So simply go to start menu, search settings, or simply you can press Windows plus I to in settings, go to settings. So the second step is go to personalization. Now scroll down the page, click on lock screen. Here you will see, so firstly we are going to change the lock screen. Personalize your lock screen. You can select any of the folder to slideshow, or you can select inbuilt pictures, or you can Windows Spotlight. Select Windows Spotlight. For example, we can choose this. Now scroll down the screen. Here you will check show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. Turn it on. Your lock screen will be showing now like this. You can preview the change pressing Windows plus L to lock your PC to instantly see your new background. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Windows 11 login screen background. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips and customizations. Thanks for watching.